Hello everyone, and welcome back to Hetero Learning. Today we will be continuing our discussion from the last video on roots and exponents. This time we will be digging a little deeper with another problem called Mark's number trick. Go ahead and pause this video and try out Mark's number trick with a few numbers. Okay, on the screen here I have also tried the trick with two different starting natural numbers, 5 and 3. By now, you have probably realized that, after performing all the operational steps listed above, that the answer is always 1. Don't worry, you haven't made any mistakes. It should, in fact, always result in the number 1. Our job today is to understand why. Let's assume that x represents any whole number greater than 0, just as the problem reads. Following the instructions shown, squaring x would leave us with x squared. Twice the original number would be 2x. Add that to x squared. Now, add 1. We get x squared plus 2x plus 1. With a basic understanding of expressions that are in the expanded form of a plus b squared, we should know that x squared plus 2x plus 1 is basically x plus 1 squared. The next step says to calculate the square root of the sum. Since they have told us that x has to be a whole number greater than 0, we know that x plus 1 is larger than 0 too. From the last video, we know that the square root of something with no negative sign in front of it results in a positive number. And now because x plus 1 is positive, we can infer that the result of the square root of x plus 1 squared should be x plus 1 and not negative x minus 1. 2 steps left. Subtract your original number, which is x. That leaves us with 1. We have just proved why Mark's number trick always results in the answer of 1, when x is a whole number larger than 0. In other words, an integer. Through this lesson, you should have a better understanding of how square roots work, now that you've worked through a real-life example of using square roots. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and see you next time.